Hello everyone, is your diesel engine struggling to start, misfiring, or producing excessive white smoke in cold weather? If your OBD-II scanner has detected P0674, cylinder 4 glow plug circuit open, your vehicle's glow plug system isn't working correctly. In this video, I'll explain what P0674 means, its symptoms, and most importantly, the exact locations of the affected sensors and components. Let's get started. The P0674 trouble code stands for Cylinder 4 Glow Plug Circuit Open. Diesel engines rely on glow plugs to preheat the air inside the cylinders, especially in cold weather. When the Powertrain Control Module, PCM, detects an issue with the glow plug in Cylinder 4, it triggers the P0674 code, leading to hard starts, misfires, and rough idling in low temperatures. Check engine light on hard cold starts, rough idling and misfiring in cold weather. Excessive white smoke from exhaust reduced fuel efficiency. If you're experiencing these problems, let's locate the key sensors and components responsible for P0674. To diagnose P0674, check these key parts. Glow plug for cylinder 4. Location, threaded into cylinder 4 on the engine block near the fuel injector. Function, heats up the cylinder to aid ignition. A faulty glow plug won't generate enough heat, causing cold start issues. Glow plug control module, GPCM. Location, mounted on the engine block, firewall, or near the intake manifold. Function, controls the voltage sent to the glow plugs. If it malfunctions, the glow plugs won't work properly. Powertrain Control Module, PCM. Location, near the firewall in the engine bay or under the dashboard. Function, monitors the glow plug system and triggers the P0674 code if it detects a fault. Glow plug relay location, usually found in the fuse box or mounted in the engine compartment. Function, supplies power to the glow plugs. If faulty, the glow plugs won't function correctly. Wiring and connectors location, runs between the GPCM, PCM and glow plugs. Function, transfers electrical signals. Damaged or corroded wiring can cause an open circuit, triggering P0674. Common causes of P0674. Faulty glow plug in cylinder 4. If the glow plug fails or burns out, it won't generate heat, triggering the P0674 code. Glow plug control module, GPCM, failure. A bad GPCM won't send the correct voltage to the glow plugs. Wiring or connector issues. Broken, corroded, or disconnected wires can cause an open circuit in the glow plug system. Glow plug relay malfunction. If the relay fails to send power, the glow plugs won't function correctly. PCM error. In rare cases, a faulty PCM may incorrectly detect an issue with the glow plug system. How to fix P0674. Step 1. Scan for additional codes. If multiple glow plug codes appear, check the entire glow plug system. Step 2. Test the cylinder. For glow plug, use a multimeter to check resistance, should be around 0.62.0 ohms. Step 3. Inspect wiring and connectors. Look for loose, corroded or broken wires and repair if needed. Step 4. Check the glow plug relay and fuse. Replace them if they fail to send power to the glow plugs. Step 5. Test and replace the glow plug control module, GPCM, if needed. If it's faulty, it won't send proper voltage to the glow plugs. Step 6. Clear the code and test drive. Use an OBD-II scanner to reset the code and verify the fix. Final words. Ignoring P0674 can lead to hard cold starts, excessive white smoke, and poor fuel economy. Fixing this issue ensures your diesel engine runs smoothly and efficiently. For more car repair tips, check out these videos. P0602, Control Module Programming Error. P0603, Internal Control Module Keep Alive Memory Error. Like, share and subscribe to IG Garage for expert car diagnostics.